our position is really that the construction of the highway happened long before the 2015 decision of the CCJ. And as a consequence, we are saying there would have been consultations with the village, the leaders of the village and members of the village before that construction had happened. In fact, there was an environmental impact assessment done and all of that. So we're saying first, it happened long before the actual decision, because I've heard assertions that we violated the order of the CCJ. So that needs to be put right. Our assertion it happened before. The second point we're making is that when you look at when they brought this claim as against when the actual cause of action arose, we're saying they're way out of time. We're saying on the consequences of delay, the case ought not to go forward. And then there are two other fundamental points. Even if we use the argument that the CCJ decision looms large, part of that same consent order says that the constitutional authority of the government of Belize remains. And we are saying one of our defenses is that at that time there was a serious outbreak of a metfly disease. Our position has been, are you telling us if there is a terrible outbreak of some disease and for the preservation of life, safety of members of the public generally, we are not allowed to do anything as a government in that area? So our position has been, because of one of the exceptions, that's an exception to your fundamental right, where there is some great emergency in terms of public health, we're saying the incidences of your fundamental rights is somewhat eroded in those circumstances. So that is another issue we raise in the case. Those are the issues that we have to decide in the end.